Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Jaiswal and today we are going to discuss about how I have created a web application at the time of quarantine. So it's just the beginning of coronavirus in February, and in March all the companies allowed their employees to start working from home. So the best part of working from home is like if you have a kitchen like this, just at the place where you are working, you can drink anything you want, you can eat anything while working. Nobody knows what you are doing, but that's the best part. So you can eat while you are working also. Yeah, that is the best part. So at that time I used to wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning, and then I used to, not 8 o'clock, actually 7 o'clock, and 8 o'clock I used to start working actually. And for my job where I used to work, where I'm working as an application developer right now, so I have to work all day till 4 o'clock, and then in the day I also had a couple of meetings, Zoom meetings. Yeah, so I think everyone's life was like this when they are working from home, is like this actually. So yeah, after 4 o'clock, after when I finish my work, I did not had anything to do especially. So like after that, all we can do is talk with our friends, talk with our family, or eat or sleep or play games. I'm not a gaming person, but yeah, if other people like games, they can play games. They used to play games. Yeah, so that's all it was. So at that time I wanted to do something in that. I wanted to utilize that time and do something, and I got I was thinking about lots of ideas what I should do. I had a camera, so I was thinking to do some video shoots or create some short films. Or then I got idea of creating a web application. So to create a web application, I searched which technologies are trending nowadays. So there was a React.js, Redux, Node.js, and yeah, I think this was the React.js and Redux was the front end technology, and in the back end there was Node.js, which is famous nowadays. Yeah, so these are the things I did not learn them before. So I wanted to add those skills to my profile, because if I want to go to other big companies and work in different companies, I should have some of those skills because those are trending nowadays and companies needs them. So all I did was I did a React.js course on Udemy from Maximilian. So he is the amazing guy, and I think you can learn that learn React.js very quickly and easily. I learned React.js in 1 week, or you can say 2 weeks completely, from that Udemy course. I will add the link in the description. Yeah, so yeah, I learned React.js, and then I thought of creating a web application, but I did not have idea what web application should I create. So I again thought, what is trending right now? And I came to know coronavirus is trending right now. So I thought of creating a web application related to coronavirus. So I used to check coronavirus cases on Worldometer each and every day at that time. So I thought, let's create something like that, which is more visually appealing, and there are lots of things to visualize, or there is a map somewhere. I also got inspired from the, what's the name, J John Hopkins. Yeah, John Hopkins website of coronavirus tracker. John Hopkins coronavirus tracker. I saw that and I got inspired from that because it was looking really cool. So I got the idea. I had the right tools to create it, so I jumped on it directly. After I finished learning React.js from Udemy, I started coding the similar way the course taught, to structure the product, separating the components, on all those things. So, okay, let me tell you a couple of things about React. Why React is right now the best one. It is really easy to create a website using React rather than going the traditional way of using HTML and CSS and then adding JavaScript. All you have to do in React is just create different components and it will be a tree-like structure. The main component will be uh, main part of the tree will be app, and then you will have lots of components going down like a tree. Okay, and those all are then embedded in the single component, which is the main part of the application. Yeah, so this is like best thing about React.js. Also, there is a React life cycle which you can use. Also, there are React hooks. So all of these things are really, all of this thing makes React the special. Also, there is a JSX in React. So JSX, you can use JSX instead of HTML syntax. So JSX, maybe some people will feel different about JSX, but I myself felt like JSX are the best thing in the React. So uh, if you are interested in learning React.js, really try the Udemy course. It's amazing. Okay, so let's quickly go on to the application that I have created. So here is the application. So okay, first of all we have to do is we need a list of all the countries. So this is the list of all the countries that I have created using Material UI table. Yeah, so Material UI. Let me tell you about Material. Material UI is a React JS components which are already created to created so that you can use them directly in your application. So you don't have to worry much about creating CSS styles a lot and creating everything from the base. Those components are already created. You can add them in your application easily. So I used Material table here, this one, which was created by Material UI. Then I used couple of other things like Material UI's typography and then paper. Also, this one I used from Material UI. I think this was a paper component. Then I used to show graphs. I used recharts library, which are another React component. So yeah, these are the best part. This is the best part about React. Like, you will already have the components created by other people. You can just use them and utilize in your web application. So yeah, you can look at the map. It looks pretty amazing. You can zoom in, zoom out. So I used Mapbox for showing the map. So Mapbox have lots of functionality available, so you can utilize them quickly. For example, creating these circles, showing everything. It was like easier. So you can check out my GitHub link. How I have created all the commits are there on my GitHub when I was creating this application. So yeah, so I used Mapbox to show the map, and then I created custom markers. So you can see one thing, like where there are many cases, for example in US and in India there are many cases. So you can see those circle markers are bigger than other countries. So if there are lesser number of cases, the circle will be smaller. So there is a little bit of calculation, mathematical calculation is required to find the ratio of all the countries compared to, and then finally you will get the radius of the circle using that math formula. So I did not understand that formula. My friend wrote that for me. I asked for him how we can create this formula, and he helped me with that, and I use that here. So yeah, if you click on the marker, you can also see the tooltip here. Then total. Also from this data table, you can select country, and here you will see the total cases, the graph for that specific country, daily cases, daily deaths. Yeah. So uh, you can check out my GitHub link here in the description, and here you will see all the files and source files, everything. And I also wrote how you can use this, clone this application and try it on yourself. And okay, apart from that, okay, I used Firebase to host this application. So Firebase is free of cost. You can host it there to show your application to other people's, or just to test yourself. So the how to do all those things are also given in the Udemy course that I Udemy course that I used to learn React.js. So do make sure to check out the link for Udemy course. It's like amazing. You will learn React, everything about React there. So yeah, that is my application. So go ahead and check that out, and let me know if you want to know more about how I have created this application. Well, I have explained everything, but still, if you want to know more, just comment in the description, link below, not link, comment on my video below, and I will be ready to explain you everything. And yeah, it does look cool, by the way. Just see, uh, like like um like in the movies. Yeah. So good luck, and